Well, let's go to CommSec. Tom Piotrowski joins us live for a look at the markets today. What's the lead from overseas numbers? What do you got, Tom?
Pete, we're going to see a slim decline for the local market today, and that is in the context of what was a reasonable step lower for US and European markets last night. What stood out was the moderation where technology stocks were concerned. So the NASDAQ down by almost 1.3%, the broader market, the S&P 500 down by about 0.5%. Just to put that into context, Pete, since the middle of March, for example, you've seen a very strong run up for US markets. The S&P 500 has risen by as much as 16% in that period, and the NASDAQ up by about 26%. So well overdue for a bit of consolidation. There was pause to thought today with the, forethought today with the US Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell testifying on Capitol Hill, just giving the politicians a sense of where the Fed's instruments are pointing when it comes to their expectations on rates. There wasn't anything controversial. The bottom line is that the expectation is there'll be a couple more rate hikes of 0.25% from the Fed. The market knows that. You saw that reflected in interest rate markets. They were barely moved under the circumstances. Another point to make is that we saw some hotter than expected inflation numbers out of the UK last night. So that'll be interesting in the context of the Bank of England's interest rate decision, which will be announced later on this evening, local time. So that's one of the highlights that the markets are gearing towards in the next day. A slight firming of commodity prices, nothing much, but that could be supportive at the margin as far as the local market's concerned today.
Okay, Tom, thank you.